Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. Just finished building this beautiful 427 Ford 540 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1966 Ford Fairlane with the Holley Sniper fuel injection on there. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build here. We have the brand new block, 4-bolt main block, all forged steel internals, double roller timing chain, new timing cover, roller lifter camshaft, aluminum cylinder heads are on there, all the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. Customer needed the rear sump oil pan for the Ford Fairlane. Put that on there. Oil stick and tubes on there. All the heavy duty Russell fuel lines, loop clamps, oil pressure extensions installed for easy hookups, distributors set in place, MSD ignition coil, the Holley Sniper fuel injections on there. Every engine is live run at the engine factory here for over 45 minutes. You'll get a video of your engine running in the stand, all the readings, manifold vacuum reading, oil pressure, cold and hot, water temperature. The Holley Sniper fuel injection menu screen will be completely all set up for you, ready to go, plug and play. We even installed the throttle cable ball on there, throttle return spring and bracket, manifold vacuum fittings installed for easy hookups. Customer's running a AOD transmission, so we have the proper tooth count and balance for the 427 Ford. We have the Taylor ignition wires, American made, with all the wire markers on there, all set. PCV ventilation line, Russell heavy duty. All the Russell fuel lines up to the Sniper EFI. We have this real nice polished Raptor pulley kit on here. We have the heavy duty aluminum high flow water pump, self-tensioning belt tensioner, 8-rib serpentine belt, 160 amp alternator, 1-wire hookup, power steering pumps on there, all set. So this is the way you get it. Again, fully complete turnkey, ready to go, custom built. Thanks for watching.